Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is IVRS based home automation with immediate voice and SMS feedback using Arduino TTS text to speech conversion and SIM 800L. So in this project we are using an SIM 800L, Arduino Uno R3, 4 relay coil, bulb 1, bulb 2, bulb 3, bulb 4, AC 230 volts bulb, 16 cross 2 LCD display and one 5 volts power supply. Yeah, yesterday I did this project, and this is the project title name, and this is the YouTube video link. The comments are, they asked for some changes. Specific number will be taken and the rest of the calls will be cancelled because anyone can turn on and turn off the lights by calling. So hello sir, I have a question. Anyone can control the two lamps? This is one comment, and this is other comment. So possible to store one number, owner mobile number. So caller, first caller, but I loaded owner mobile number. Okay, only this mobile number will take action. Other rest of the mobile will be disconnect. So which SIM card? 2G, 3G, 4G. 2G, 3G, 4G it can accept for SIM 800L. So TTS. So here we are using TTS, text to speech conversion. So 1, light 1 on, 2, pressing the button of 2, light 1 off. Like that I am taking total 9 number as a DTMF, 9 numbers, each number 1 voice. So after call attempts, DTMF IVRS voice output 1, pressing the button of DTMF on the keypad, 1 light 1 on, 2 light 1 off, 3 light 2 on, 4 light 2 off, 5 light 3, 6 light 3 on and off, 7 and 8 light 4 on and off. A SMS alert and the voice alert to the IVRS. Owner mobile can call accept, other mobile it won't accept the call. So I will explain, 2 for other mobile, 1 for the owner mobile. So these two phones are not accepted. Only this phone will allow for the attempt the call and do the action, and it will receive the SMS alerts. We can improve other languages also, called Telugu, Hindi, English or Malayalam, or any language you can store on the Arduino. Yeah, so here we are using 4 AC bulb 1 or light 1, light 2, light 3, light 4, 4 bulbs, 5 volts power supply module, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED, Arduino Uno R3 board, relay 1, relay 2, relay 3, relay 4, SPDT relay, single pole double through relay. Purpose of the relay is switch on and off the AC bulbs. SIM 800L 16 cross 2 LCD display. So here we are using 2G, 3G or 4G, any SIM card you can use. So here we are using Idea SIM card. You can use Airtel SIM card or BSNL SIM card, Vodafone SIM card, any SIM card you can use. So this is a reset button, USB, 4 channel relay, SIM 800L. So 5 volts power supply. Now I am giving the power supply. Okay, IVRS based voice feedback and SMS feedback. Now it is sending the AT command to GSM modem. Once AT command will success, it will tell you that GSM OK, call to SIM. This is the owner mobile. Okay, I am keeping here. Now I am calling to this through other mobile number. Okay, so that number is 7095. So this is project SIM. Okay, so call is established, blue color LED is on, but it is won't taking the call because we feeded this mobile number. Okay, now ringing is going on. So this is other mobile. Okay, waste of time. Okay, and this is for other mobile number. Okay, 7095906007. Call established. Blue is on, but it won't take in the call because this number is other number. Okay, so this is other mobile number. Now this is Vivo. Now this is owner mobile. Project SIM. Now ringing is going on. It is connected. It is explaining the voice commands. Nine, all lights off. 0, all lights on. Now I am pressing 1. Yeah, bulb 1 on. Light 1 on. It is sending the reverse feedback and we are getting the SMS alert. Voice as well as SMS alert. Owner mobile number. Yeah, light 1 on, success. Now I am switch off the 2. Okay. Yeah, 3, light 2 on. Light 2 on, third. Okay, 3, light 2 on. We are get the SMS alert. Voice alert as well as SMS alert. And fifth number. So we on and off light 1 and 2. 3, light 3, bulb 3 on. So we will receive one SMS alert. Okay. 7, last bulb. Light 4 on. Light 4 on. Only owner mobile can accept the call. Other it won't accept. Okay. So now 1, 2, 3 on. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0. See, 9 all off. Yeah, we got the SMS alert. 9 all off. Yeah, we will get SMS alert also. 1, 2, 3, 4. Power supply, Arduino, relay coil, GSM modem. Okay, so we can control the lights. You can extend the fans also. Voice alert as well as SMS alert. So every time we will receive the feedback. Light 1, light 2, light 3, light 4, all also. All I am not get. Okay. So like that you can extend. Now next project I am going to do this project on agricultural. Agricultural owner can on the motor pump and it will send the voice feedback and SMS alert also. And thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded. IVRS based voice and SMS alert. Okay. And I'll show the code. So here we are using 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 LCD. This is TTS, voice to text conversion. GSM, it is connected with the 7 and 6. Light A0, A1, A2, A3. And here light 1, 2, 3, 4. And IVRS based home automation with voice feedback and GSM testing. So here we are always checking for the owner mobile. Once owner mobile is established, so it can accept the call ATA, then it will tell you 1 for light on. So 1 light 1 on, 2 light 2 on, like that it will came once. So if you are pressing 1 light 1, so this relay coil will be low and it is sending the SMS. 2 light 2 off, 3 light 3 light 2 on, 4 5 6 7 8 0 all lights on, and 9 all lights off. So here the SPDT relay bulb on and bulb off. You can take the SMS alert and voice alert.